food. Early morning to school. Pray for me, I love you. You don't know what I've been through. She taught me how to lose. God with me, I fight through. Tell me please, can I trust you? Your worst enemy be next to you. And I know we know the truth, but we choose to neglect it cause it's scary too. I got brothers who savage and positive too. Let me tell you a story, let me introduce you to Mansell. You know man's on a grind every day. Know my name but don't know my story. Thank you God for another money. I'm a soldier. I was blessed with all these talents, so I know I gotta use it cause I am a soldier. Been through so many things in life nobody never know about, that's why I know that I'm a soldier. Hard work is off in life, don't let nobody bring you down, and make sure you depend on no one, cause when you need them they don't show up.
People have to open their eyes and see the prize. All the information they be telling us is lie. We are enslaved by the angel of God, but we on the rise. Everything in life, you know, you just gotta survive. Cause mama, I'm a soldier. You got distraction in your path that you just can't pass. Temptation in your head that you can't think straight. Certain people around you been acting strange, but they don't know the truth, they only know my name. But know that I'm a soldier. I stand strong and never fold up. Ain't nobody really know us.
Oh mama, I'm a soldier. I was blessed with all these talents, so I know I gotta use it cause I am a soldier. Been through so many things in life nobody never know about, that's why I know that I'm a soldier. Hard work is off in life, don't let nobody bring you down, and make sure you depend on no one, cause when you need them they don't show up.
Your foster home, it wasn't easy, and I know as a young I had to go and find a job and start to grow. But this evil I have been through, you might think I'm 24, but truly I'm just 18, but nobody really know. I'm just a youngster trying to help my mama so we could get the bag and we could live it rich. Some people in the struggle, it's hard to hustle. Just put your mindset on focus and double up to be lit.
People always got something to say. End of the day, I love my girl's melanin face. She keep me safe beyond the hustle. We on the double. I keep on fighting through the struggle, cause I won't crumble. Been through so much, no one can fool me. Just be honest to me. They always say they love you truly, then sneaky rudely. I got trust issues, makes me moody, but God feels right through me. I got my family on my back, do my best to never lack. Everybody moving fast, my main focus is the cash. Hope the cloud relieve my stress, push my family to success. Happy New Year's, God bless. From QRQ and TGS.